Hello and welcome. If you're looking for a healthy breakfast recipe, I have one for you. Today I will be serving an egg and avocado salad bowl. This meal comes together in 10 minutes or less, so it is great for busy people and it is also very fat loss friendly. Low carb, satiating, and has the right mix of proteins, fiber, and fat for a healthy breakfast that will keep hunger at bay until lunchtime. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thank you. These are the ingredients for our egg and avocado salad bowls. So we are going to need one good quality egg. Make sure you always get good quality eggs. And then we're also going to need 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm going to measure it. This is a teaspoon. And then we are going to need 2 tomatoes, which I'm going to dice in a minute here. And then if you're using 1 large cucumber, cut it into half, but this is a mini cucumber, which I love. So I'm going to use the entire thing. And then ripe avocado, I'm going to use half of this medium-sized avocado here. Then I'm also going to squeeze this lemon and use just half of the juice that comes out of this lemon. I placed it in the microwave for about 10 seconds and then I kind of like pressed on it to release the juices. So I'm going to squeeze that to make my little dressing with, and then some salt and pepper. And this, I am adding some jalapeno peppers from my garden. This is totally optional, but if you like a little bit of heat to go with your salad, you can always dice these up and add to your salad. Optional, but I like my stuff spicy, so I'm going to use the jalapeno peppers. As far as the gadgets that you need, not necessary, but if you're a gadget person, this is a lemon or citrus squeezer press. So I'm gonna press my lemons with that, and then of course a bowl to assemble your salad in, and also a frying pan to cook your eggs in. So let's dice the ingredients, prep the ingredients, and then get cooking. Feel free to cook to your desired level of doneness. As for me, I want the yolk a little runny so that it's gonna make like a creamy sauce with my egg salad. So I'm going to take it out like this.